Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with another marketing tool to help build your business called a Downline Builder. Now, my business partner, Marty, and I have been helping entrepreneurs just like you for over a decade build their business with our marketing tools, like this Downline Builder that is free to join and earn for your best business offers. Now, this is how it works. As a free affiliate, you get 400 advertising credits. You can place one of your best offers in the program builder. Of course, you get free access to the 24-hour live training room. You get paid $5 for each pro affiliate member that you refer. As an upgraded member, of course, you earn 5 levels deep, earning $10 on your first level. And as a free member, you can place one of your business offers in the system. And as a pro member, you can place 4 of your business offers in the system. Okay, promote your business opportunities 5 levels deep. It's easy to get started. All you do is click here. Of course, you're going to be brought over here where you're going to set up your profile first. Then what I want you to do is click here, 24/7 live training room. Then come down here and join the live training room where you're going to receive all of these bonuses and ad credits free when you onboard and get into the live training room. Okay, you know what to do? Marty and I will be waiting for you inside.